1977 Baja Breaker! Van boy, let's go get the surfboards!
Hey cats and kittens, it's a toy car case event at Johnny Roman's Supper Club. It is 3:16 on Old Johnny Clock. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot.
Look at this Baja Breaker! Man, the vans are cool today! This has the big fat blackies, little opera window in the back, some running lights on the top and a luggage rack, and then even a window on top. Oh, look at those big fatties on there. And the killer on this is the hood. It's black and it's plastic. Everything else is metal. Come on, open. Oh, look at that. Engine tucked in nicely, just like every van in the world. Little detail on the top of that hood. Oh, Hot Wheels Mattel 1977 Hong Kong. Look at those big fat blackies on there. I love those babies. Just sweet. Something about louvered windows. Mr. Don, this looks like a van you would have made. Too bad you don't watch these videos. You would have loved this thing. Oh, hey, the Baja Breaker, let's go to the border.
I know you're a toy car case guy out there. It is 3:16 on Old Johnny Clock. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot. Hit that subscribe button and you won't miss out.
Don't you wish you had that? This is the place to be.